Hello, my name is Jen,
Hi, I'm River.
Hi, I'm Teresa.
and we are all Black Belt Nia instructors and part of the 3NGT faculty training to become trainers. And we would like to,
Invite you to
The Nia Diversity Weekend.
it's happening April 30th to May 2nd.
I am excited to bring this groundbreaking Nia event, Diversity Weekend.
a weekend workshop dedicated to you and your body's way.
We're going to be looking at some of the ways that society has conditioned us to think.
We're going to dive into body acceptance using tools from Nia to challenge the manipulative tools of society and finding pleasure along the journey.
My session on Saturday afternoon will be on oppression in the body. If you are living in society today, everybody and everybody's body is being subjected to oppression. This is an opportunity to learn some somatic practices that we can do to help alleviate those pressures on our body. We hope to see you there.